Hey there and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to master indicator templates right here on Tradingview. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to save your favorite combinations of indicators, load them up in a snap, and even build your own custom templates like a pro. If you're someone who likes to streamline your charting workflow and save time, these tips are going to make your Tradingview experience so much smoother. So let's dive straight in. First, look towards the top of your TradingView interface, and you'll spot an icon that looks like four little boxes clustered together. Go ahead and click on that. It's the main gateway to everything template-related. This is where you can both save templates you've set up and open templates you've previously saved. It's a real game changer, especially if you tend to use the same combos of technical indicators over and over. For now, let's try opening a template. Click Open Template. A window pops up with all your ready-to-use indicator setups. Here you can just scroll or type to select any template you want. Imagine it like picking a recipe card. As soon as you choose one, TradingView instantly applies those exact indicator settings to your chart. It's quick, super handy, and saves you from adding each indicator by hand every time. Now let's say you want to create your own custom template. Maybe you've got a signature strategy you use or just prefer your favorite indicators set up just a certain way. Here, how to build one from scratch. Start by heading up to the Indicators button. It usually sits right at the top of your chart, almost like the gateway to your personal trading toolkit. Click on it and you'll see a search bar pop up. For this example, we'll create a template combining two popular indicators, Supertrend and RSI. In the search bar, type Supertrend. Once you see it, click to add it to your chart. Supertrend's great for identifying trends and potential reversals. It's kind of like the signposts on a highway, keeping you oriented. Next, while the Indicators panel is still open, search for RSI, that's the Relative Strength Index, a crowd favorite for spotting overbought or oversold conditions. Click on RSI as well, and now you've got both indicators up and running on your chart. Now comes the key step to make this setup reusable. Go back to that four-box icon at the top, the same one we visited at the very start. Click it, then choose Save Template. This window is where you give your template a name you'll remember. Let's call it something simple like Supertrend and RSI. Name it, hit save, and voila, you've just created your own custom indicator template. Here's a little pro tip. If your chart gotten a bit crowded or you just want to test something fresh, you can quickly remove all your indicators. Just click the X next to each one. Now to see your new template in action, head back to Open Template and start typing Supertrend and RSI. It'll appear in the list, ready to go. Click on it, and like magic, both indicators will instantly load onto your chart in exactly the arrangement you saved. You don't have to waste time or worry about forgetting your setup. TradingView remembers it all for you. That's all there is to it. Once you get used to templates, you'll wonder how you ever charted without them. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're stuck or have questions about indicator templates, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading.